What's up, people? Welcome to my channel, Stocked and Loaded. My name is John. I'll be your host today. We're going to be starting a new series here. It is called How to Lose Money, and also it's reciprocal, which is how to make money. In this episode, we're going to look at a trader who has lost approximately $109,000. $109,000 in one trade. We'll be going over all the details of this trade in just a minute. Stick around. We're going to be looking at a specific trader who lost approximately $109,000, which is just mind-blowing. That's a grip to lose, man. But you got to feel for this person, whether maybe they're loaded and this is not a big dent to them. I'm assuming they have other backup money, but you don't know. This person could have cashed out their 401k and just said, screw it, I'm going to hop on this meme stock train. So we're going to be looking at the trade they did today, which was on Wish, W-I-S-H. So the headline says, well, isn't this just lovely? Wish lost porn, minus 109K. Let's break down what happened here. So you can see this screenshot here of his account in this position. What happened here is this gentleman or gentlewoman, we're not sure, purchased a lot of call options. And if you're not familiar with what options are or call options, let's just keep it simple for now. And if you buy a call option, which this person did, it's essentially the same as buying the stock, except it's kind of on steroids. So you want the stock to go up and then you sell. So what happened here is they bought 460 contracts at an average cost of $7.24, okay? And you can see here that the market price at the time they sold was $4.90. So they bought high and had to sell low. So took a loss, and you can see right here, just over 108,000. And then he also did this small set here, 80 contracts. He did some further, looks like, further out of the money calls, and took a smaller hit there, only $800. So it looks like he was just messing around here to see if he could hit the lottery. And look, all in all, over $109,000. So what happened here? This person put up $345,000 basically on the same trade, because this is essentially the same trade. He just bought calls that are basically, different expiration, different strike. This person put all their eggs into one basket, and that can work for you. Some people have definitely hit it big, thrown a good amount of money into one of these meme stocks and bought in a ton of call options and hit it big. Big red flag here is this is a long-term downtrending stock. It's been downtrending for a long time.
2,000 years later.
So number one red flag, this has got a heavy downtrend. So see this vertical line here, okay? This is the date that this person closed their position. I'm assuming this person got in either on this candle this week or this week, and basically was watching this stock. In this week, I would not blame the person. Get the hell out. He was down, I think, about 30%, just over 30%. And look, man, that position can easily go near 100%. And with stock options are much more volatile than just buying the stock, for instance. So you can be down 30, 50% really quick. And that's kind of the danger with stock options. They're a bit more risky in that sense than stocks. And they also expire. So it's a function of time. When you just buy a stock, that doesn't expire. You can hold that stock unless the stock disappears. And with Wish, it looks like it might disappear. We'll see how far down it keeps going. It got to a high of almost 33, and it's now at about $6. So, geez, it's a pretty big decline. The other lesson I wanted to talk about here is, especially if they got in here, I guarantee if they got in here, they had a chance where they were up, I'll bet you 20 to 30% at least at one point. And this person decided not to take that off. That if that was 30% up at one point, just like he's 30% down, that could have been 100K. So he might have been showing 60 to 100K in profit. I think the odds are very likely if he got in somewhere in here. And can you imagine? It's the worst. You don't take that off, and then you have to deal with the consequences of it going against you. It's the worst feeling. It's much easier said than done. Okay, I've done it many times where I'm up 20 to 50%, and I'm greedy and saying I want to wait for that big move, and that big move just didn't happen, and it rejects on you. And it's honestly worse than just losing, because you had an opportunity to take that thing off and profit and move on. And the thing is, when you actually do that, you stick to that game plan. Okay, I'm going to get out if I get up to a certain percentage, and then it goes against you. That's also like the best. That's better than just winning. It's because you go, oh, look at that discipline, man. If I would have stayed in that, look what would have happened. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I will be coming back very soon with another one. All right, see you soon.